the buffalo roam, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard the discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day.
This morning I got up at 6:01. I walked out and saw the rising sun, and I drank it in like whiskey. I saw a tree I've seen 1,000 times, a bird on a branch, and I watched it fly away in the wind. And it hit me, it's a beautiful world, sometimes I don't see so clear. Some days you're just breathing, just trying to break even. Sometimes your heart's pounding out of your chest, sometimes it's just beating. Some days you just forget what all you've been given. And some days you just get by. Yeah, some days you're just alive, some days you're living. Some days you're living.
Back again.